Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to look at how to install Windows 11 on an old PC. Let's go. Windows 11 can only be run on Intel 8th generation processors or higher. For AMD it's Ryzen 3 2300X or higher. First thing we'll do is go over to our browser and download an application called PC Health Check.
A few moments later.
This app will help us know whether our PC can run Windows 11 or not. So type PC Health Check and then download and install. After installing, let's run the app. Let's click on Check Now at the top. As you can see, TPM 2.0 is not enabled on my PC and my processor is not supported either. But we are going to make it work, guys. We are going to make it work. Now that we know we don't meet the requirements for Windows 11, let's open up our browser and download Windows 11. Type Windows 11 into the search bar and click the first link. We have options here, but we are going to move down to download Windows 11 disk image or the ISO file. Now click Select Download and select Windows 11 Multi Edition and click Download Now. Wait for a few seconds as it validates your request. Now you are asked to select the language you want for Windows 11. This is a very important step because the language you choose has to be the same as the language you have currently on your Windows 10. If you choose a different language, you may not be able to keep your files. After choosing, click on Confirm. And now click on 64-bit download to begin downloading Windows 11. Windows 11 has been downloaded and it's time to install. Follow these steps carefully. As you can see, my Windows 11 disk file is on desktop. Right click on it and then click on Mount. When you open File Explorer, it will show amongst devices and drives. Click on it. Now locate the sources folder and open. Scroll all the way down to Setup Preparation or Setup Prep. Type command prompt in the search bar and launch it. What we are going to do is we are going to mount the ISO file on drive H, just as it shows at the top. So as CMD is opened, type H and then colon and hit enter. Now we are on H drive. It may differ for you. Yours may be F, E or even D. Now here on H drive, we are going to sources. To get to sources, we have to type CD and paste the sources file location you copied and then hit enter. Now we are in sources. Now that we are here, we have to open Setup Preparation. So type Setup Prep .exe, give space and then type /product server. This is a very easy method. Yes, we are installing Windows 11, but you can see installing Windows Server. Click on Next. Getting updates, checking your PC. But we have bypassed that, so the installer will continue. Agree to the terms. Now as you can see, I've bypassed everything with this method. You do not have to use any bypasser. Over here, if you see any of these options are grayed out, it means that you did not choose the right language. So please choose the right language as your computer. So here I will keep files and settings and continue. So from here, I'm just going to allow it to install and you can watch along. So if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.